Here's how to install our OCAM winch onto our bull bars. Secure the winch to the bull bar cradle using the supplied bolts and square nuts. The square nuts slide into the corners on the bottom of the winch, and the bolts can be tightened from underneath using a 16mm socket. Undo the clutch on the winch and pull out a bit of rope, as this will need to be routed through the bull bar. If your vehicle has an engine bay cover, it will need to be removed in order to gain access to the wiring. Attach the control box to the bull bar using the supplied brackets and hardware. Then use a 4mm Allen key to remove the cover plate on the bull bar and install the winch cover plate using the included hardware. The bolt uses a 19mm socket and the nut is an 18mm socket. Install the bull bar onto your vehicle, then connect the wiring. There are two sets of power leads. One runs directly to the battery and the other runs to the winch. Give it a test with the included remote, and there you have it. Your OCAM winch is installed.